Hi, and welcome back to the building site. It's getting rather dark here inside, and that means that the exterior building is starting to be on the final stretch. Currently they're installing the doors as well as the lift doors, and behind me they're installing some lights so we can actually see once all the doors are installed, and it gets pitch black here after that, so we need some additional lighting. Also they're building the electric fuse box, motherboard, whatever you call it. That one they're assembling now outside, and then it will be installed in here. So what has happened since last video? Well, the floor has also been poured, the concrete is ready, and we did it in 2 sections rather than the planned 3 sections. Why so was the fact that we got the concrete team who made the floor, they were a little bit busy, so they wanted to do the second section in one big section, so they're able to go and start their weekend a little bit earlier rather than coming here in 2 different days. We had the concrete guys come in. The Betoni team was the company who made this for us. First they had the pump truck which pumped the concrete all the way inside the factory, and then they leveled it out, used the vibrator to get all the bubbles out from the concrete to make it solid, and then they smoothed it out with the machines they have, and then they put the master top into the top of it to make it strong and durable, the surface, so it lasts for a long time in our industrial use. And then they used a long time to smooth it out to make it flat and smooth and good for the industrial work that is going to be used in. So about the floor, first we installed the insulation layer there, and on top of that we installed the heating pipes for the floor heating, and the pipes are here on the walls in sections, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think there is 5th also there, and all of these will be adjusted individually here, and then in general there's the one big adjustment in the heat well that we covered in the last episode already. Here is the movement seams in the concrete, because when concrete dries it starts to shrink a little bit, and here we have one between the first and second section is here, and then we cut with a special tool. We made a little cut in the second section to make it smaller when it shrinks. This is where it cracks, and rather than having cracks all over the floor. And all the walls, also the end wall is now installed. There is 2 panels still that we are installing on the roof, the last 2 panels on the roof, and then it's pretty much just the doors and the finalizing touches, the little metal pieces into the corners and so on and so on. And then it's from outside, then it looks ready already. We already have the TMK sign on the other side of that wall. So from the outside it starts to look ready, but like you see here inside we still have a lot of stuff to do. We have the pallet shelves are coming a little bit later, so we start installing them. A lot of electrical work to get all the lights ready, all the electric inputs for the working stations here, and as well as that corner we have the offices, the dressing room, and I think the toilet was there as well, so we have to start building those also, and that takes a little bit time. So yeah, like you see on the back, it starts to be quite ready from the outside. Inside we still have a lot of work to do to make it ready for all the manufacturing process that happens inside there. They're still now installing the last 2 pieces of the roof, and after that all the main pieces are in, and then it's just the covers to the sides to make it nice and neat, and some light sign, our logo light sign comes to the side most probably, and stuff like that will be still what we're doing, tarmac to the yard and so on and so on. Yeah, but I think that's enough for this time. There's still a lot of exciting things to come, so make sure to follow us and stay posted on what's happening here at the TMK's factory expansion. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.